Okay, so market is about to open, and hello guys, it's Trader Ramir here, and going to have a trade today. But before that, let me just check our Euro USD signal. So as you can see, our second entry, which is the 6814, was almost perfectly hit. So we have a very little drawdown with this one, and now we are up around 25 pips or so. Yeah, that's really nice. So let's go over to our next stock, and yes, we have a short-term, we have a rally rather, and we have a signal also with this one, so I'll post the result later on. And I think we're going to this inefficiency right now, so let me just remove this. Nice. Okay guys, so let me just check my notes first, because I have a very good trade for this one. On almost all of my all of our watch list. Right, so let me just check on my notes. So I have a target around this weekly level. Let me just go back to our NASDAQ. So on the weekly, I have the 15,390. Oh, this one. Okay, so that's one of my target entry sell, and also my target high of the week. So let's see. Wait, let me just check this one. Oh, it's the wrong link. Wait, let me just check my daily notes. Nice. Nice. Let me just go over this one. Yeah. Nice one. Okay. So we're now open. The market is now open. And again, it's going to reach this higher buy side liquidity, or a daily consequent encroachment, or if not, I'll just take whatever it's offered. But right now I think it's going to seek its level first, because remember we have the 8:30 high impact news, and I think it's given us a buy side. So with regards to our Euro USD signal, we have this clear reversal right here, also a market structure shift, and going to the 1 hour time frame. Now that's a balanced price range right there. So let me just annotate this one. This is a very small range, but it's considered as a balanced price range. Alright, so once again, hello guys. This is Trader Cromir, and I hope you're doing good. The market just opened up, and we're looking for trade setups for today on Nasdaq and Euro USD, or just Nasdaq rather, because we have a how do you call this? We have a good market structure right here. I can see a clear trade later on, but let me just see if it will pan out. So let me just clear the charts because I already have my notebook, and yeah, I advise you to go over your notes too. If you are trading with us, you should have your entry journals, your like trade journals, something that should take note of the prices, the opening price for the day, and it's not really that required, but as a personal practice, as for me, so these are my methods. I write things on my notebook, and then it's actually just marking the prices. So right here on this Friday, September 8th, on the daily time frame, this is considered as a bearish order block. So when it traded the first time, you can see here around the 12th of October, bearish order block give it a nice run through a sell side liquidity and inefficiencies like this one. Alright, also now it's back to its level. Here's where price would we consider this like a how do you call this, like a support, but we don't use support and resistance. It will just seek liquidity or inefficiency, at least for my method. So our other traders have their own methods, and yeah, we have different types of trading styles, and we respect each other with that one. And also we find our trades based on what we see, based on our experiences. So right now, with my current experience, I'm trying to search for a trade that is valid for today's price. I mean, let's search for a trade for around maybe 9, I mean, yeah, it's 9:45 to 9:50. So what I'm waiting for is if price will trade below this level, or if price will trade above this buy side imbalance, I mean buy side liquidity. So if you go over to our weekly time frame, this week right here, this week so that's let's say like a tongue twister, so the weekly, this week, WICK, the midpoint of that, in my experience and in my learning, this is a crucial level for, it's like considered a support and resistance. So I'm going to wait for this one, or this will be my target for today. But as of now, the current bias is bullish. I guess I'm going to wait for it to reach this sell side liquidity, then frame a trade for a bullish bias. So that's the trade plan as of now. I don't also forget this gap right here. This is a suspect for, it's like a magnet. So when price is away from this gap, price would rather go back to this level, treat it like a support and bounce off, or can trade below it, then treat this like a resistance. So that's how we use our daily opening gaps. So this is a opening gap on the daily, and this was yesterday's opening price. So that's it. So I'm waiting for price to reach this sell side liquidity, this relative equal lows. And again, let me just check our 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. Oh, I think it's going to be a bearish one, but let's see. We have a Wednesday on, this is the Euro USD. But I guess we have a Thursday reversal profile. Wednesday, oh, Wednesday's high is traded. So now this is a suspect for a sell-off. Now this is tricky. Wait, let me just get this 50% level. So hope you're doing good, guys, and right now we're looking for a trade setup. Let me open my other MT4 because I have a challenge account right here. It's not really like a challenge account, it's a, you know, a practice account. So I hope it's not lagging yet. Right now we don't have a trade yet. Let's see. Right now I think I'm going to be bearish. Yeah. I think I'm favoring shorts now, because all throughout the day price is trading higher, reaching this buy sell liquidity. This is a very clear old high. This was Wednesday's 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m. also 9 a.m. So yeah, I think I'm going to be bearish right now, and my short-term target would be this low right here, and that would be, let's see, 40 pips. That's nice. If I am going to target this yesterday's low, but this is very overzealous. I don't know if, and what I'm saying is I'm not sure if it's going to take this low right here. But in the short term, we have this one easy target. It's like a low hanging fruit objective. Also this one, low hanging fruit objective. So we have 1, 2. This is approximately 50 points, more or less. It's 56, but yeah. Let's see. Over on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so it's now purely bearish. It's riding this it's riding lower, and eventually reaching this sell side liquidity around 15,293. Also, let's go over to our Euro USD. It's now bearish, so if you have still the buy position on Euro USD, you can now close it or set your stop loss on break even, because we have the entry 2 right here was perfectly hit, and our targets are just mainly 1:1 ratio with our entries. That's the first target, and always take partials, because taking partials is very crucial for you to build your equity curve, your wealth. So if you don't take partials, you're really just literally wasting time. Always take partials. It's really essential, and I've already have proven that one, that it's really good. Taking partials is good. You know, you can always repeat trades every single day and without even hitting your target. So for example, you have here like this entry 2 on our Euro USD. So just for example, you have a 10 pip stop loss and 10 pip gain target. So when price hit this 10 pip target, you can actually get your 50% profit, then set your stop loss on break even, right? And add more 10 pip to it, or say 20 pips. So that would be 330. So this is your second target. Oh wow, it's hit beautifully. Yeah, I think it's going to be hit. It's a 30 pip gain, so you can either close your position or get another 50%. And that's how you build your equity curve. You know, you will never lose taking profits. Nobody ever lose taking profits. It's always a win-win. Okay, so let's see what the Nasdaq is doing. So it took the short-term sell side liquidity and another one. I'm still bearish. Well, in general, I am bearish now. Unless it will fill this gap, then I don't know, I'm not interested trading this one if this one gets half filled, or like that one, like 2 to 3 pips filled. I mean, almost filled like that. So I'm not interested trading this one if this type of candlestick showed up here and not fully closing in above or rejecting it 50%. So these are my trade conditions as of now. Yeah. But right now I'm bearish on this stock. I mean on Nasdaq. Let's see if it will give us a trade. This is my potential okay, this is my potential entry. I like to see price reject this one. That's really cool if this happened. Euro AUD is now dropping from a 4-hour time frame. We have a higher time frame bullishness on Euro AUD. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the MT5. Euro AUD on the daily time frame. Yeah, so we breached this 50% level of a bearish order block. That is bullish for me. At least for me, that is bullish. So that being said, my entry would be this one. Take note of my Fibonacci extension. This will be my entry. So let's see if this pan out. This one. So as of now, this will be my long term, I mean like a day trade or a swing trade opportunity for Euro AUD. So I'll give this signal also. And look how random that was. Sorry. Look how it aligns perfectly with the 0.5 standard deviation, or should I say 1. So in our world, I mean in my terms, what I learned was price will trade off of these standard deviations. Sorry, let me just delete that one. So this will be my TP1, TP2, TP3. Yeah, so I'm going to save this chart for our trade entry for Euro AUD. So this is my current bias. It's bullish. Last week my current bias for Euro AUD was bearish with this type of I mean this sell side liquidity as my target for today, but it did not reach it. Something is wrong with my analysis with this one, so I might check it out on my other notebook. And let's go back to our NAS100. So yeah, we have sell side liquidity taken out. and now it's showing bullishness again, but I'm not going to buy it yet unless some conditions met here. I like this one to be reached before 10 o'clock, then I'll short here around 10 o'clock also, or here, yeah, but I like a short position around this area. This is a bearish breaker. Let's check this out. Midpoint. Look at that, so random. So if I'm going to use the bodies only, it's up. I mean, it's rejecting this swing. Oh, sorry, I have another one. Like if you use the how do you call it? The wick, WICK. So it's rejecting the 50% level of a bearish order block. I mean bearish breaker. Well, that's a confluence already, as at least for me, to short it, then aim lower. So let's see. I'm shorting this one also. I think I'm going to short this one. Yeah. So we have a last up close candle, last swing. Normal Fibonacci retracement tool, 0.62 level as entry, optimal trade entry. It's going to trap traders around this one, the dump money. They're going to buy this one, I believe, then eventually trapping them around this area. But for me, I'm going to short it. Is anyone watching? Yeah. Hello guys, it's Trader Kramir here, and we're trading NAS100 as of today. And we're looking for entries. Yo, hello. Gas coin, okay, let's check out the gas coin. Gas coin. Gas USD on Binance. I think it's bearish. Hi sir, I can't read your name because I can't read Arabic name. Okay, let's check out gas. It's now oversold. Trust me, it's going to have a pullback. It will, or if not, that's very dangerous. Markets that doesn't have a pullback tends to drop very quickly and ugly, like a, you know, like a meme coin. So yeah, I think this will be the move for gas. Doesn't have a lot of candlesticks yet, but let's see. As of now, it's good to short this one, but I'm going, if I am shorting this gas USDT, I'll wait for something like this to happen. This would be my trigger, if you may. Then I'll short it around this area. So ideally, this is the trade, the short-term trade. I mean the sell short trade, then should take profit on these lows. 1, 2, and if it's really bearish, I believe it's going to have another form of this M pattern. Call it M pattern because it's like letter M. It's going to have like this one. It's gonna drop, reach for this one again, then form another, something like that. That's not Wyckoff. But yeah, I think this will be the move for gas. Let's see. If I have my Fibonacci tool, it's around this area right here, 20.5 something. But this is not a financial advice, of course. So will be your stop loss around 22.18. This is not financial advice though. If you will short this market right now, this will be your short-term stop loss around 20.36, 35-ish. Yeah. So this will be my first position, second, then third. Your stop loss should be like 50% of these levels right here. You can pause the video and take a screenshot. Let me just write it for you. Stop loss 1, stop loss 2. Yeah, so let's, I don't know, it's still bullish, but these markets, these types of coins used to have this move, like it's going up, then eventually bam. So if it's moving up very high, very quick, expect a quicker, dump, something like that. But that's just me, of course. So let's go back to our NASDAQ. Oh, so our sell short is invalidated. I did not take a trade. And this one, yep, I think it's now bullish. I'm going to wait for confirmation. And our Euro USD, wow. I believe I have a sell short position around this area. It's bullish, so I'm thinking of a reversal profile for Euro USD around this area. Yep. So we have this low of the week, potential low of the week Wednesday, then potential high of the week, which is Thursday or Friday. And again, we have a 2 p.m. FOMC. Yes, it's 2 p.m. If my memory serves me right, that's 9 p.m. Wait, let me just check. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Yeah, we have the 2 p.m. Fed chair speaking. And as always, should consider risk because it has a lot of impact, the Fed chair. So yeah, sell side taken out. We have invalidated a bearish breaker, therefore we're bullish. Simple as that. I'd like this gap to be filled before taking a position, so I'll consider this like a support, if you may. If price will trade above this line, treat this as support. That's good. Yeah, RNDR, render coin. Yeah. Hi Ahmed, shout out to you guys. To you, my friend, listening, watching. So let's look at your is that RNDR coin? I think it's render, RNDR on Binance. Yo, and it's up, what did you say? It's up 700% something. Yeah, it's like up 4%. Oh, with the weekly, daily. So this is the November 1st. It's a seek and destroy market profile, and I don't know, it's on premium. It will eventually pump. Guess I think it's going to do this type of move. Get to this level here, taking buy side, and then find a support around this one because it's bullish in the short term, by the way. And this is not 100% guaranteed, of course. So on the normal coins, I mean normal asset class, this would be the move for render. If it's a, you know, like a normal pair, normal currency, yeah, I think it's still bullish until you met this buy side liquidity, which is around 2.74 and 2.99. So those levels are what you call psychological levels. It's fixed to a number, and 2.99 is just 1 cent away from $3, right? So it can be a suspect for a sell-off because yeah, it's always been like that. If 90% of traders think it's a resistance broken out, they'll expect to buy about that. Then eventually the smart money would take the opposite side, so they're gonna dump their positions. Bang. So yeah, that's what I think about render. So, and yeah, thank you for participating in this live stream. Appreciate it very well. And let's go back to our Nasdaq because I'm going to frame a trade. It's only 10 o'clock, I mean 9 a.m. It's going to reach a certain buy side liquidity. Let's check our daily time frame again. So this was a short-term target, 5434, so that's 50, right? So yeah, 50 points. I think this is enough for a trade. But I want this one to be treated as a resistance, or if it passed below that line, I am back to bearish, especially if it trades below this bullish order block. So I'm seeing something like this move. Maybe just grab some water. I wanna buy it. We have a breakaway gap. I don't want price to trade below this line if I am bullish, and eventually trading above 3.4, this area right here. Yeah, that's overzealous. If it trades above this, that's 60 points. I guess I'm going to buy this one, but I want to wait for a, you know, like a pullback, trade something like a support level, then from that I'm going to enter a trade. And with that being said, I think this is the one that I am looking for, this midpoint right here. So I want price to retest this area. I'm not buying that high. I like that one. I like this type of moves, like pump and pump and pump. After 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock or 3 o'clock, something like that. Those fixed time, exact time windows, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, yeah. So we have 10 o'clock AM price rejecting a buy side liquidity, or should I say taking out buy side liquidity, dropping out dropping out buyers. Smart money is taking sell side if it creates this type of move right here. Nice one, nice one. So let's see, let's wait for it. Yeah, I think I'm back to bearish. Oh well. I hate this type of moves. These are the types of price action that I hate to trade. But let's see. Silver bullet does not miss. Silver bullet never misses. I'll trade inside this time window. Frame a trade. Then hopefully, of course, it's not 100% guaranteed if it's not yet hindsight. And yes, I think I'm going to trade now. Very easy. So easy, I can now sell. Let's wait for a pullback. $0.05. Wait, is this a support? Sorry, support. Where did I get this one? 15-minute time frame. Oh, let me clear my chart. So I have buy side liquidity taken out. Bam. Oh, I have this area. I have this down close candle. I want this to be treated like a resistance level. That's what I'm trying to say. Also, I like the 50% be violated or respected. Let me just change the color of this one. Yep, going back to our 1 minute time frame. And yeah, my trade is now on. My idea is now concrete. I'd like to see it trade, like ravage this 1, 2, 3 levels. So let me just okay, so I want this price to be traded back, like that one. If not, I'm going to enter trades on lower levels, like this one right here. This was my potential bearish inversion fair value gap. On the, what time frame is that? 5 minute, 3 minute? That's what? 5 minute time frame, yeah. My risk would be 20 points. So let's wait for this one. I'm going to short it now with a very low risk. Of course, this is not a financial advice, but this is a free signal. Yeah. 81. Wow, that's a lot, man. So like 90. I don't want it. I don't want price to treat this like a, is this NAS100? Yeah, it's NAS100. I'm going to take something off because it's a lot of risk. I don't like risking more than $50. $19 contra 31. So yeah, I'll be happy with that one. It's treating this area like a support. This one, nope, that's not support and resistance. If this one gets filled, then my idea is invalid for short. But I have this breaker, so let's see. Where's my Eurusd? Nasdaq. What's my account? Nasdaq is 1.5 pip. Oh, sorry. How about here? Nasdaq would be around 0.3, 0.1. Okay, so we're in the positive side right now. Should have risked more, right? No, 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 don't, never ever yellow. Okay, I think I missed a trade for my other account. That's okay. I always miss a trade. Now I have a valid sell position. I mean, I have a valid trade idea for sell short. I can now close this trade. So we've traded like 5 minutes or so. I don't know. But since I have a good reading with this one, I'll set my stop loss at break even. Or so, yeah. Oh, it's gonna take my profit. Oh my goodness. That's a bad thing. I did not hit the lower target. No, just kidding. So we have a profit on this one. So let me just give you my recap about this trade. So first off, if we go on our daily time frame, we are currently trading higher, right? So if you watch my method, I stated there that when price reach a certain buy side liquidity, price will gravitate towards an imbalance or another form of liquidity, which is the opposing side. So if this one is a buy side liquidity, this one right here is sell side liquidity, right? We also have here imbalance. So initially we have a buy side liquidity that has been taken out. So for example, this was our like previous day's trade. So buy side has not been taken out yet, and today, Thursday, it was taken out right here. So when the time comes, I mean the right time of trading, like like market open 9:30 to 10 o'clock, it trades higher. I will frame a trade based on this specific time window and specific trade logic or price action. So from buy side, I will look to sell short to get something on the opposing side, which is this inefficiency or liquidity. And thus you don't need to get a lot of like points. So if you zoom on to the 1 minute time frame, just look how accurate this would, just look how accurate or profitable you would be if you use this very simple logic on the higher time frame, apply it on the lower time frame. So we have here like 40 points. So 40 points is, I don't know, that's a decent amount, right? Sometimes I do 20 points only for take profit. So we have a buy side liquidity has been taken out right here. This is a purged buy side. Traders who bought long here are now trapped. We have this buy side purge, buy side liquidity being purged. This is also a balanced price range right here. Sorry, this one and this one. So I expect price not to be traded, not to return to this level, considering that this is a balanced price range. But if price traded inside this range, it would be something like bullish, or it's a form of manipulation phase. So yeah, I don't do those types of trade, because if one confluence is invalid and it will give me an invalid idea for sell short, I won't sell. Instead, I will hold on to my bias, and I will hold on to what I think is just right for my trade plan, which is selling short and following my following what I learned based on my experiences. So yeah, I think I can add another short position right here. It's trading inside a bearish breaker. sooner I will make another like a tutorial video or method video regarding with I will upload another video regarding my trade methods, and I will cover these types of order blocks. So a breaker block is essentially just an order block in smart money concepts, and I'd like this one to be respected and treat this like a resistance, then eventually trading lower. So it's still early, price can still gravitate around this area, but I don't want to see it close above this like, you know, going back to this buy side liquidity and then closing in or closing above that black line right there around 337. I don't like to see price trade above this line, else I'll consider this as a, you know, I'll pass. I'm not gonna trade it. So we have how much did we make with this one? It's just a 31. No, it's not a just, it's 31. It's a good gain. It's plus $40. Yeah, let's see. So right now sell side liquidity has been taken out, right? So if you're following the logic that I mentioned in my method, price gravitate from buy side to sell side, and sell side liquidity is mostly it's composed of a equal lows. It's composed of equal lows or a clean low that has not been traded yet, like this low and this low. Those are sell side liquidity. And by the way, we have here a gap. So this gap tends to be like a magnet, and that would be my target again. Okay, so let me just change this color to a appealing color, green. Green is for Benjamins. Benjamins are $100. Is that right? I don't know. Oh, wait, let me just remove this one. Nice. This can happen. It can be violated because it's just a bearish order block on a lower time frame. So this would be a green, orange. Let me just change that to blue. Yep. So I have here two types of boxes. The lower box is a discount array. The higher box right here is a premium one. And these lines right here are very, very premium. So if price traded higher around these areas, I guess it's not a good idea to trade, because my sell bias would be invalidated, and I don't like to be buying above highs unless it gives me a signature. And by saying signature, that means, wait, where's the indicator? Okay, never mind. But I guess I must have clicked this remove all. Let me just add it again. Oh, what's happening here? Okay, so I'm watching price. Okay, let me just hide this one. So I'm watching price trade or invalidate these areas. Respect these areas. So we have here, you can see this one. This is a valid sell trade. Of course, it's not 100%, of course. No method is 100% guaranteed. These are just guides. Like me, I'm just your guide today for free signals. And if you follow our trade today, you have also profited, like this one right here. Yep. So let's see if this will give us a valid trade for today. But let me just hide it first, and my drawings also. So I have here a shift in market structure, or break of structure if you may, and I have here a bearish order block with a frame. Oh, this will be a invalidate. I mean, this could be a form of manipulation phase. So I should be selling right now. Yeah, I think I should sell right now. Yep. Wait. I don't like it. I don't like it yet. I'd like to see price trade below this line before selling. So I don't care if I'll have a lower entry, as long as it validates my idea, or like my trade plan and my belief because of experience. So I'd like this lower up close candle to be traded to and through below. It's like it's going to give us a break of structure. That's a real break of structure if a candle closes below that one. So yeah. Hope you're enjoying, guys. Nice one. Okay, we're still waiting for it. I'm not falling for that one. Guys, if you've been trading like 4 years, 3 years with this type of moves, it's like it's like a normal to you to enter trades based on just what you see in it. If you follow certain trading strategy, sometimes you won't need to draw things anymore. So for me, I do prefer these types of clean chart right now. But if I'm not live streaming, I would have entered this one purely. I expect it not to trade above this line. So yeah, speaking and managing trades like this one is kind of hard. So we just based on trades like with 100% or like multiple confluences before trading, especially when like this one live streaming. We should manage our risk, our trading strategies efficiently. So I appreciate you guys joining in, and no, I'm not yet ending this live stream. I want to frame another trade based on my bearish bias. Okay, so shout out to you guys who's listening. Do you want me to check on other coin or asset class? Let me get another trade here. Let me frame another trade. This is 0.62. I guess this is a valid sell trade right now. I'm still skeptical, by the way. Let me just remove these drawings. It's purely distraction on my side. At least for me. So I have here this down close. I'm watching this one. I will treat this like a bearish breaker and expect price to reach this. Wait. Let me just get to this high and low like that. and color this background right there. Nice. So I'll just lock this one. I'll consider this as my short-term target. Nice. Oh, it already traded the 100%, I mean 0. Yeah, it just tapped it one. I mean, just tapped that one. Wow, wow. I'd like this to be a resistance, if you may, or support. I'm still not convinced it's bearish. I mean, totally bearish. Or is it? Because I don't like this price to be traded above this up close candle. Let me just go to here. And it's giving me an impression of a sell-off if it treats this imbalance as a they call it resistance level. So we're using support resistance terms, but personally I don't trade support resistance. No, I don't hate it, of course. We all have this different take on these markets, and we respect each other's, you know, trading style, trading decisions. And right now I'm going to sell short for a bit. I mean, yeah, like this. Let me just frame another trade here. Okay, let me just go to my stop loss. 0.1. Oh no, I'm done trading this one, but wait. Did I read this wrong? Oh no. It's right. 0.1. So I'm taking another trade and expecting price to reach this gap on the, let me just show you that gap. Where was that? Oh no, it's around the Wednesday's trading. It will be a lot of choppiness. It will have a lot of choppiness right here. I don't like price to trade above this balanced price range. Else I am consider shorting to be like a low probability. So let's fix our what? So wait guys, I'm fixing something in my chart, my other account. So I'll be happy with this one. It's $30 right there. Should have traded all when price traded above this line. I mean, when price took this buy side liquidity. It's really annoying sometimes to, you know, have a lot of accounts, but we all need to practice and we all need to push our edge. So if you have a strategy that works for you, my best advice is that you try to practice on a demo account first, and if that strategy works for you very well, then you can go over to, you know, like some small accounts But as for me, I practice demo account like for almost, I don't know, 3 years, and within the 3 years of practice, 1 year was spent using smart money concepts and ICT concepts. Also, I think I'm going to close the trades right now. I'm not comfortable. Let's just put it that way. I'm not comfortable, not because I'm scared or something, but this one, this low right here that I'm talking about. Wait, where's that? This one, this up close candle. In my experience, if like not all the time, but when I see something like this failed M pattern, yeah, so like that, it's going to have a lot of choppiness. In my experience, this for me, it's going to have a lot of choppiness, and then it's going to scare you, going to it's closer to your stop loss, then trades back, and something like that. And yeah, it's also Thursday. I don't like trading Thursday also, and Friday. I prefer trading Tuesdays and Wednesdays like yesterday. But yesterday I was so tired, I did not afford to have a mental capital to like have a live trade. But yeah, I managed to have a profit yesterday also. And I think this is enough for today, guys. But I want price to trade in this like this orange line right here, this 0.5 level. I like it. I like price to trade on that one before signing off. So you see, even if you are wrong with your take profit, or like aggressively taking profits, even if you're wrong, if you take profit, you're still in profit. Never lose. It's never a loss, right? So there's nothing wrong about that. And compounding your profit on a daily basis, that's a lot. That's going to have an impact on your equity curve, your psychology, your how do you call this one, decision making, and patience, also discipline. So this type of move right here, this low, I don't like this type of low. Even if it trades below, that's alright. If it goes on profit without me, because I took the profits aggressively, it's alright for me. It's just because of experience, I know that it will gonna give us a choppy price action most of the time, not all the time. Also considering that it already took a lot of 1, 2, 3 lows that are equally, it's like equal lows. So that's a sell side liquidity being taken out, bouncing off a gap. I mean, it can trade with that one, but yeah. So these are the types of moves that sometimes it's hard to trade. So to cap it all off, we have a buy side liquidity taken out right here. Then taking a short position right after this sell off, that's very hard to master. But if you can do that on your practice, on your demo account, that's really nice, because you already have a framework with that one, you already have a trading style with that one, and you can have like a 20 points stop loss. See that one? You entered within the buy side liquidity, aiming for another 20 points. Yeah, so that's 1:1, and that's a profit side, right? So yeah, look at this one. It tapped again this high of that imbalance, but it's gonna rip off. Now it's gonna rip that one off, because it's treating this like a resistance. Yep, nice. So I was wrong, but still in profit. So that's how we trade this market, guys. You don't need to be right or wrong as long as you take profit. By the way, I can still enter this trade, but not now. I would rather anticipate, I would rather expect it to trade lower here, then treat this like a resistance. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll post this trade cap, a recap on the results channel. So thank you for joining in, guys, and hope you have a great, good day today. And trade safe, manage your risks effectively, and be a dork. Thanks for joining, guys. Thank you. Wait, let me just check our Euro USD. Wow, it did not take our profit target for today, but it's okay. At least we have this inefficiency traded, right? Let me just okay, guys. Nice one. Okay, so let's just go back to this one for a while. For a bit. See this one? This choppiness? That's a lot to take if you're on profit and turns against you. You might think of closing the trade like what happened to me here, this part of right here. So this is what I'm talking about. This choppy up, down, up, down, up, down. I don't like that one. And it's based on experience already. Wait, let me just check another one. I'm not yet contented with this Euro USD being choppy like this. Nah, I don't like it. I don't like that. I'd rather wait for another trading day than trade it. But as of now, I guess I'm going to anticipate that it's bullish. Yes, you heard it right. I think it's bullish and still going to take this high right here. What day is this one? This is 12, so this could be a Monday trade. It did not take the... So we have 2 days until December, 12 is at Sunday. Alright, I guess, yeah, if you can hold the trade, this is very nice. But I don't know, I don't trade the weekends unless you're swing trading with a lot of capital, of course. Wow, did I just miss that trade? So stupid. No, just kidding. Of course, it's profit already because of these types of signatures, you know, by experience. So look at this one. It's trading down, up, down, up, up, down, up. This is what I'm talking about a while ago. Because of this type of move, it already took the buy side, right? Sell side. Then take the trade, take the price on a form of inefficiency right here. Yep. Then trade lower, taking another sell side liquidity. Then all of this choppiness, choppy price action. I want to go back in and trade, but no. I'm content. I'm contented with this. Profits right here. And it's always like, have you heard of the term compounding interest? You know, you compound your gains slowly but surely. Like every day, for example, every day you add $20 on your equity, and then every $100 gain you add a lot size. You add the volume to your trade, and then your next aim would be daily $40. Just double it, and it keeps doubling and doubling. You know, that's how equity curve is made. It's compounding interest. Right there, that's what I'm talking about. So now this is a shift on market structure in the short term, and I don't like this type of price action. I deem this to be a manipulation phase. So this was our opening price, 930. Wait, sorry, 930 is this one. So we have here the opening price, trade lower, trade higher. This is the high, the day, or high of the hour, like 9:30 to 10:30. Then we have an expansion lower. Then we have 10:30, which is this close. So this is part of my method, the OHLC method. Oh, wait, yep. So this is my opening price, the high, and then the low, which is, oh wait, this low, or this one, yeah, this low, this right here. So actually it's like that. And move a bit to this alignment. Align this one on the center. Yes, that's how my I mean, that's how the OHLC works. So it's now bearish again. It's going to take another sell side liquidity, which is this one. I think this is another good trade, but I'm not trading it. Why? Not going to trade it yet. Alright. Oh, I have here a major, I mean, previous day low, 12 o'clock. So I expect this to be traded around 12 o'clock also, or 1 o'clock, or 12 o'clock. Let's see. So now it's bearish. It's absolutely bearish. Let me just frame a trade on the other account. That's the 15-minute time frame, and this one. Wait. Oh, this one, 15-minute time frame and the low. Oh, so this one is the low, right? Okay, so I'd like this one to be taken out. What is this? 170. Yeah, so like that. Let me frame another trade right here. Sorry. So 155 is to 177, and that's good. That's not bad trade. So yeah. Wait, what's my gain for today? That's 64 and 76. Guess that's enough for today, but I don't know. I still want to trade, but something's stopping me. It's because let me just put this one off. Yeah, it's going to take this buy side, or no? Yeah, because it's around what time is it already? It's just 10:44, and price was rejecting this 50% level. Is that correct? Okay, let me just cancel this trade right here. No. If I'll cancel this one, I mean, wait. I have a sell side liquidity taken out here. Let me just clear the drawing. So I have a down close candle. Okay, so this will be my invalid point. I mean, this would invalidate my trade idea of sell, like I said earlier, this midpoint. If price will trade above this, like close above that line. So if I'm going to sell right now, my stop loss would be this area. I mean this wick, WICK. So that's a lot of points, right? That means I should stop trading. So this would be my target for 12 o'clock lunch, or 1 o'clock rather. This is a 37 point stop loss with 74 point gain. But I don't like to trade this. I would rather wait for price to trade lower, below this down close candle right here, then create a gap, then treat this like a resistance, then sell off. So that's basically the idea of the trade. if it's going to do that. But no, I'm not trading it. I'm not trading it yet. So that's what I'm trying to say. I wanna frame a trade. I really wanna frame a trade right now, like a bearish, sell, a sell opportunity. This could act as a propulsion block, and if it invalidates a propulsion block, I'm going to sell short. This one. These up close candles, I don't like who trade it. It's a messy price action. Let me just clear the drawing again. This is seriously a bearish formation, like how do you call this one? Bearish bias. It's like a 70 to 80% chance that price will gravitate to this low. But let's see. So I said I'll be just 5 minutes, but I've been trading for like 30 minutes already, right? From my sign out mic, I'd like to treat this like a resistance level. Yep. And then what else? Oh, I have here. Wait, let me just get something out of this one. Right there, yeah. I want to see a rejection from this area. This is a bearish order block. Mean threshold. And let's lock this. 1, 2, 3. Locked. Oh. Lock and lock. So lock this one. Also lock this one. Nice. This is just I like how it formed this one. I like how this price action formed this low right here as my daily, or say intraday. So let's lock it. So price will like a lot of traders think this is now a support area, support zone. like those normal support and resistance traders, you know. This mean threshold is around, this 15-minute up close candle. So let me go back to my trade, the other account. 15 minutes, and I'd like this to be, where's the up close candle right here? Oh, this one is an up close candle. Okay, so this is minus 139. So it's now 52. It's going to reach a certain level of buy side liquidity, whether it's an inefficiency or like this one, a buy side liquidity like this right here. This is a form of swing high, right? So it's a buy side liquidity. Price will gravitate around this area. So look, this is what I'm talking about a while ago. We have a clean low right here prior to our, post our trade. Then price gravitates upward, taking some inefficiencies right here, then selling off again, then choppiness. So that's what manipulation phase looks like. And you don't want to be in this market if price gives you these types of signature. If you're not very keen to your, like if you're not used to choppy price action, you don't want to buy or sell in this type of candlestick formations. So right now it's trading inside a 1 minute bearish order block, below a 1 minute bearish order block. Doesn't matter if trades higher, but I don't like it to close above this box that I'm going to draw right now. Yeah, I don't want price to close above this, and I don't want price also to close above this. So these are my okay, let's just use resistance. So these are my fair value gaps that I don't like to see price trade to and through these levels and call it another short position. No, I don't like to see it that way. I'd like price to reject, to trade higher. Yes, I'd like that, and then reject it like it's doing right now. So yeah, that's basically the idea of our trade for today. Let's check out Euro USD. Our buy signal is still on profit. So I hope you guys enter that trade. It's really cool. It's on profit already, so yeah, that's nice. I'm not sure if I like to short it again. No, I don't know, but yeah, I think I'm gonna short it again, like very low risk. So on my 15-minute time frame, it's gonna be 11. Wait, I'll wait for the right time and the right signature. So price is trading above, higher. I'd like it to trade below this down close candle, and it's not treating this like a resistance. I don't like that. Support. Although it's going to have a rebalance, that's alright. Oh yeah, So this is a 5-minute time frame, and on a 15-minute time frame, this bearish order block is the leader, or should I say it's like the last line of defense for short. Now it's trading those levels that I'm talking about a while ago. So this will be my first line of defense. So if price traded above to and through this first line of defense, that will give me a 50-50 bias for sell short. Therefore, I'm not going to short it yet until it will trade back to this last down close candle. Yeah. So it's just patience that's trying to make me pull the trigger right now to sell short. Oh, what a mess. Nice one. Yep, I have another confluence here that's going to drop. I mean, the price is going to drop. And yes, this will be my stop loss level. This area, or should I say this imbalance. So okay, this is a green. I mean, I would color this green because it's giving me a go signal to short. Also this one, this is a black. This is like the midpoint. Let me just delete this because it's getting to my nerves. I don't like to see a lot of things on my chart, honestly. I would just want to show you how I frame the trade based on these candlesticks. So I'm putting this on, but actually it should be like this one. I have this up down close candle above. I can see that one. It's rejecting, right? Yeah, that's a signature that is going to sell off. If price will close above that, that's a warning sign already. And if it trade above this blue line, up close candle, that's another red flag for short position. It's a warning sign again, so therefore should not take another position, short position, unless it will trade below this green right here. So this is a normal price action. It's going to trade higher. It will scare a lot of sell short. It's going to give the idea that it bounced off a support, and because it's lunchtime, it's going to get choppier and choppier till you get tired of what you see in the charts. If you have a negative profit, something like that, if you have a negative if you're underwater. So should not close above this first line of defense. It rejected that one. I think I'm going to short it now. Again. Nope, not yet. I'd like this green line to be traded lower. Then treat this like a resistance. it's going to take buy side liquidity and inefficiencies. It's now a warning sign, but it's still early for, because it's just 11:02. It's growing, I mean it's just ahead of lunch yet. That's an imbalance right there. It's rejecting it. Let me just take a trade, like a very small position, then set my stop loss just above some level that is purely random. 0.2, let's take 0.1. Let's set our stop loss a bit higher, just to make it sure that no, like it's gonna wick off, right? This will be my target. Yep. Well, I could be wrong with this one. This is the mean threshold, but for 15-minute time frame, this is my 15-minute order block. Price can trade above this. I mean, here around the 50% area. Did I just double that one? Yeah, I doubled it. This is where it gets a lot of frustrations. When you have a initial sell position, then look, it supports, and then it trades higher. That's annoying, right? It's really, really annoying. By the way, we have a breaker that has not sorry, we have a breaker that is now being traded above. So we have this red line right here on a 15-minute time frame, and we don't like that to be, I mean, we don't like price to trade above this one with this 15-minute time frame. So if this happened, yeah, it can go above it. Can even trade with our stop loss. Yep, that's it. It's got our stop loss. So that's what I mean when I say you should stop trading right after a win. But let's see. I can still manage to take this trade with few points only. We have this 15-minute time frame on the 7-minute mark. Still wanna trade it. Yeah, actually I think I'm gonna take another one. These are the choppy price action you should never take. Like wait, where's the, did I just took a trade? Yeah, I took a trade again. So let me just put my stop loss right above that wick. I can't see my trade. Oh, the other one got stop out. So yeah, let's wait for it. It's always important to consider your risk, especially if you're biased like this one. I mean, if you have a confluence that has been violated already, but in this case you still have time. If 11:15 it closed above this red line, then I'll consider it an invalid trade of a sell short position. Yeah. Should drop by now until 11:15, or else that's like a high probability that it's going to take this high and then eventually trading higher on this buy side liquidity right here. So that's for 15,480. Also we have this bearish order block on the daily time frame, so that's also a suspect. Yeah. And if that happens, then we have a potential, how many pips is 75 points. So let's see if we're right. And that's not a good mindset, by the way. I'm still on a short bias, even though we have this line of defense. And as to why, it's because of the time, because it's around 11:15. It's past, oh wait, we have 5-minute closing above this line, so we have now a last line of defense with this week. That's the very last thing I don't want to see trade above. I mean, that's the last line of defense. That's really the last line of defense for short, because this can act as a rejection block. It's just right here, potential rejection block. And what it will do is that it can take this price higher, weak around the 50% area or 25%, then massive drawdown, I mean massive pullback. So in my experience, it can do that. Or if it trade above this line, it will eventually reach this high right here, which can give us 75 points instead of, wait, yeah, I think it's closer to this high. I'm wanting to buy it, but no. Let me just remove this one. Did we get stop out? Not yet. Stop out? Not yet. Oh wait, let me put this higher to the 75%. Also this one above 75%. Also this one right here about 75%. It's 3 minutes before it's going to drop, and with the expectation that's going to drop. I think it's higher now. No, I think it's invalid sell position right now because it's like, how many pips is this? It's 25 points already, 26 more or less. So it should drop below this, and if that happens, that's high probability short position. If not, then this is another 50-50, and like I said, when the price was still right here, it's going to have a choppiness. So these are the types of patterns you don't want to trade during near lunchtime on a New York open session. It's an ugly price action on the 1 minute, 1 hour time frame. I don't like it. I don't like it. I should have bought here, right? No. This is a sell-side liquidity. I have a shift in market structure right here. Or here, sorry. It's now going to close, and I'm going to close the trade if it closes above this down close candle opening price. So this is also a red. So just remember those conditions I told a while ago. I said a while ago, guys, that if it trade above this, it will eventually gravitate around this higher time frame. Oh, where's that? Oh, I deleted it. Higher time frame buy side liquidity around this area. And if not, it's like if and then, right? It's like a trade logic. Conditions. Trade conditions. I still want this low. It's too far, but yeah, I think it's now invalid with the sell position. It's because of this bearish order block right here. This is an up close candle. It's been traded to and through, and we have a down close candle, and we have this very last line of defense for short. This is the last thing you want to see if you have if you want to confirm the bullishness on the 15-minute time frame. It will have an up close candle above this red line. So I guess that's it, guys. I think it's gonna be choppy price action again. It's gonna take a lot of time. So yeah, to recap, we have a profit a while ago, and then we go back to our trade. That's a bad thing. So remember, if you have a good trade already, and you should learn to stop. But in my case, I can still recover this one, but it will take us a lot of time because I'm going to take a trade around either 1:30 to 3 p.m. NY time. So that's how I'm going to attack this one. And I think that's enough for today, guys. I'll update this trade on the Discord channel, and please subscribe to our Discord channel, traderk.com, and the link is in the description. And thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you have a nice day ahead, and be a dork. Thank you.